Building your model kit can always be fun, but you build the model, it needs a great base to stand on. Well, today we're going to build and review this base kit right in front of us. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to quickly build this little custom base kit. I got this off Amazon. It was $14, and you know, I was kind of looking at it, I was like, this can't be that great looking kit or anything like that. But you know what? Never judge a book by its cover. We'll get to that at the end after we build it and do kind of another look or review for it. But keep in mind, this kit is mainly meant for 1/144 scale Gundams. It's not meant for anything really bigger, but you can see they do some cool stuff. We got catwalks, we got all kinds of stuff, and you can stack them and link them together for more of these. And as I said, I picked this up off Amazon for $14. If it is good quality, $14 is not a bad, quick, easy base for your Gundam builds. So let's hop over. Let's get started building this one and take a look at it and see if it's worth the time and the money, guys. Because you know, I've had some kits like this that they weren't worth the time and money. But we're definitely going to take a look at that. And you know, this is kind of the first in a collection. This is number 7. So kind of keep that in mind. And if you're new here and you just like seeing quick model builds and fun stuff like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join us here at Rise 3D Builds as we do kind of different things like this and start building other kits. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you agree with me or if you like the build, or honestly, if you just watch the video. And you know, leave some comments down below if anything you'd like to see me try with this. So without further ado, let's hop over and build this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that Gundam, that base is built. So in all honesty, looking at this and just my first impressions of this, the box does not do this justice. So looking at this base, and I kind of threw a Gundam in there, this is actually a really cool base, and you can do a lot of different things with this base. I love the moving catwalks. I mean, that is just an added bonus to this entire kit. Because, I mean, you can build it to where your Gundam's right there, and it's just about just the right height for the pilot. So I actually have another kit that I'm working on that has some 1/144 figures, and I could easily put them on the catwalk, dress it up, have small toolboxes and all kinds of stuff in here for them maintaining or working on a Gundam. And I like the depth of this base. I didn't think I was going to like that, but say if they're, you know, got it in dock and they're working on the arm or something, there's plenty of room for the arms for the Gundam to be moved and set up. So assembly, really simple. Really enjoyed that. I love the catwalks. I love the assembly was simple. Yeah, I had some oopses in there, but you know, I'm not always the best builder or follower of instructions. But all in all, looking at this base kit, $14, totally worth it, I think, and I feel. And the expandability and scopeability of this kit, $14 is definitely worth it. So we're gonna have to figure out a Gundam or a Zaku or whatever to put in here to build. And I don't even think this is limited to just these. I think we could do a lot with something like this in other kits. And just the truss and framework, it's a little busy, but in all honesty, there's a lot of ability to detail into this with wires and other things to make this look even more crazy. So vegetation and stuff, if we wanted to have a post-war rotting ground for Gundams or something like that. So I think this is a really cool set. Link in the description down below to pick this one up. Again, like I said, this was only $14 for this whole base. We'll take the Gundam out so we can get a better look. As you guys can see, and no glue was required. It is all snap fit. So it came together really nicely. You can actually move these to any level you want. You notice here I didn't put them at the same level. Yeah, I think this is just a really cool kit. And if you're doing the 1/144 Gundams, definitely worth a good, cheap, quick, easy way to display your Gundams. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully to kind of add more kind of different builds and just simple kit reviews like this. Because I've had, like I said, I've run across some of these that are just meh. Where this one, for what it is, for $14, I'm really kind of impressed. Some paint, some gizmos and gadgets, and some wiring pulled through it. And even what I do like about this too, it would be easy to just run a wire up and set an LED light in these post holes. So a lot of scalability with this. So thank you guys. If you're not subscribed here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And again, we'll see you guys in the next video.